Welcome back! In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from the Capitec app in the easiest way. The simplest method is using Send Cash, which lets you withdraw without a card. Just open your Capitec app, sign in, and tap Transact. Then Send Cash. Enter the amount you want and create a 4-digit secret code. Confirm the payment, and you'll get a reference number in the app or by SMS. Now you can collect the cash at any PEP store or a Capitec ATM. All you need is your ID, the reference number, and the secret code you created. You can also withdraw at an ATM. If you want to keep it cardless, use the same Send Cash voucher and choose Cardless Services at the Capitec ATM. If you prefer using your card, just insert it, enter your PIN, and follow the normal withdrawal steps. Another option is using Scan to Pay if you want to spend the money directly in a store. Simply tap Transact, choose Scan to Pay, scan the QR code at the till, select your card, and confirm the payment. And that's how you withdraw money easily using the Capitec app. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.